New real estate agents. Your next client may already be sitting in your phone, in your inbox, your DMs, or maybe your CRM. The opportunity may not be missing, but the follow-up may be. Because a lead doesn't become a client just because they filled out a form or asked about a property or stopped by an open house or replied to one message. A lead becomes a client through conversation and clarity, trust and consistent follow-up. Hi, I'm Bill. This is your AI Partners, where we help new real estate agents use practical AI workflows to follow up faster, stay visible, save time, and build their business with confidence. Today, I'm going to walk through 5 messages every new real estate agent needs. Here's where a lot of agents get stuck. They get a lead, they send one message, maybe the lead responds, maybe the lead does not. Then the agent waits or overthinks, begins to feel awkward, or they don't want to sound pushy or overly aggressive. So the conversation fades and eventually the lead goes cold. The issue is not always that the agent does not have the leads. The issue oftentimes is that they don't know how to respond with the right message at the right moment. And when you don't know what to say, you delay. And when you delay, momentum drops. And when momentum drops, it begins to fade and disappear. So let's reframe this. Follow-up is not about bothering people. Follow-up is about helping people take the next clear step. A good follow-up message should be short, it should be helpful, it should be easy to answer, and it should match the situation. This is why new agents need more than one generic message. You need a few simple message types that you can use over and over again. Now let's walk through 5 follow-up messages that every new real estate agent should have ready. Message number 1 is the new lead first response. Use this when someone first reaches out about a property, a question, or a real estate help perhaps. This message should be fast and friendly and easy to answer. The goal is not to tell them everything. The goal is to start a conversation. A simple version might sound like, hey Jane, this is Bill. I saw your question regarding 123 Main Street and wanted to reach out. I'd be happy to help. What stood out most about this property to you? Now, that is simple. It's not overwhelming. It gives them one easy question to answer. Message type number 2 is the warm lead check-in. Now, you use this when someone showed interest but has not taken the first step yet. Maybe they replied once. Maybe they asked a question. Maybe they looked at a property, but now the conversation has slowed up. Your job is to keep the door open without the pressure. So you might say something like, hi Jane, just checking in to see if you're still interested in 123 Main Street. No pressure at all. I'm happy to help if you're still exploring your options. Now this works because it's low pressure. It does not sound desperate. It's simple and it invites conversation to continue. Message number 3 is the cold lead re-engagement message. Now this is for leads who have gone quiet over a period of time. A lot of new agents avoid this because it can kind of feel awkward. But a quiet lead does not necessarily mean it's a dead lead, right? Sometimes people get busy, sometimes their timeline changes, sometimes they still need help, but no one has checked in. A simple re-engagement message might be, hey Jane, I know it's been a little while, but I wanted to check in to see if your buying or selling is still on your radar. No pressure, just happy to be a resource to help you. That kind of message is respectful, it's simple, and it's easy to answer. Message number 4 is the buyer follow-up message. Use this after a buyer asks about a property or a tour of a property or talks about their search. The goal is to keep the conversation moving. So you might say something like, hi Jane, based on what you've shared, I can help you keep an eye on homes that match your goals. Are you mainly focused on A, B, C, or D, right? Are you open to nearby neighborhoods too? So the question helps you learn more, but it also gives the buyer a simple next step. Message number 5 is the seller follow-up message. Use this when someone mentions selling or asks about home values or seems curious about the market. Now, a seller may not be ready today, but they may be watching the market. So your message should be helpful, but not pushy. So you might say something like, hi Jane, if selling is something you are considering, I can help you get a clearer picture of what your home may be worth in today's market. Would you like a simple overview? Now this message gives value, it creates a next step, and it does not pressure them into any kind of decision. Now here's where practical AI can help. You don't have to write every message from scratch. You can use AI to create a starting point. You then personalize it with the lead's name, the situation, the location, and some pertinent detail relative to that property or that situation. See, that saves time, it reduces hesitation, and it helps you follow up with more confidence. But remember this, AI does not replace your voice. AI should help you prepare faster. You still review the message. You still make it sound human, sound like yourself. You still decide what actually gets sent. Now, before you start sending follow-up messages, let's talk about a few mistakes to avoid. Mistake number one is waiting too long. Now, if a lead is warm, follow up with the conversation while it still has momentum. Mistake number two is writing too much. Now, most follow-up messages should be short and easy to read. Mistake number three is asking too many questions. You should get in your mind to ask one clear question. Mistake number four is sounding too generic. So now you add one real detail whenever possible. And mistake number five is stopping after one message. Sometimes follow-up takes more than one touch. Now, this is exactly why we created the AI follow-up prompt and template kit for new real estate agents. Inside this kit, you're going to get practical AI prompts, text templates, email templates, real-world scenarios specific to real estate, testing exercises, and a personalization guide. So when you need to respond to a new lead, check in with a warm lead, reconnect with a cold lead, follow up with a buyer, or follow up with a seller, you're not starting from scratch. You have a simple system to help you move faster and communicate with more confidence. So here's the bottom line. Your next client may already be sitting in your phone, your inbox, your DMs, or your CRM. So you don't want to let those warm opportunities get cold and disappear because you don't know what to say next or how to push the conversation forward. So start building your follow-up message library today. Use practical AI to create a starting point, personalize the message, and send it while that lead is still warm. Now, if you want the full follow-up system, get the AI follow-up prompt and template kit for new real estate agents. However, if you want to test the waters of AI, get our free for now AI Essential Starter Kit for new real estate agents for a limited time, because conversations create clients, but only if you keep the conversation moving forward. This is your AI partners where practical AI solutions are offered to new real estate agents. I'll see you in the next video. Let's get to work.